Everyone, welcome to another video. And before I start this video, I would like to apologize. Maybe you are thinking that why I am talking like this. Let me tell you the things is that today I had been too busy since morning. Because of that, I couldn't practice so far. But right now, I came here in order to complain because what customer I have that is not available right now. So I asked to them that, sir, when will you come at your home? So he was saying that, sorry bro, right now I am out of Gurgawa and maybe today I will unable to reach there. Because of that, he said that you should reschedule my request because next day it will be Sunday. So next day I will be at my home all day. I said okay sir. Therefore I got some time. So I thought let me speak something in front of the camera because as you know that English is such a language. If you don't practice every day, you will forget everything. But there are so many people have this kind of problem about which I am talking that they don't focus on their practice but they want to get sound like native speaker. So let me tell you, if you thinking that I will uh, not practice and I will get sound like native speaker. So remember, your dream remain dream. It will never become true. What I am telling you, I'm not saying that you have to uh, do every. You have to learn everything in a one day. Whatever you learn so far, you should speak that things in front of camera as I am speaking right now. Let me tell you, and I want you to give me answer because I have something that I want to know your opinion. Should I focus on that type of person or not? So the things is that whenever I practice, whenever I make video, I don't know. Some people often say about me that why you are wasting your time. You don't have any work or do that. Let me tell you, should I focus on that type of person or not? Because you are like my family member. Therefore, I thought maybe I should ask for you and what opinion you will give me. I will follow that opinion because I don't want to focus that kind of person. Maybe everybody should do their work according themselves. And it is okay. I'm not perfect. I make mistake. I know very well about my weakness. What I will say in front of other that I have this kind of problems. Guys, please, will you solve it? Why I will say like this? Because I know that person, that who is that person, the who is always criticizing about me. So I will say about my weakness in front of that kind of person. And I know instead of helping me, they will laugh at me. I know very well this kind of person. So what I am telling you, I know what is my weakness, what is my strongest things inside me. I know very well, and I have a one. things about which I am talking, that I can handle every kind of things, whether that things is good or bad, it doesn't matter. But maybe everybody should good mindset like me. Let me tell you about this video because today I don't have anything for practice. So I am thinking that let me speak everything, whatever I like. I wanted to say something because do you know today I went to customer and but what customer I meet there that was very graduated and they after reach there I did not get like I came at customer end. I was feeling like I came some of my relative house. That time I was thinking like this. Because as soon as I went to his home, he said that, bro, would you like have a water? I said, no, sir, I have already done. So he was saying that, would you like to have a breakfast? I said, no, sir, I have did everything. After that, I came to your Wi-Fi. I let me say here. I wanted to say, but that is okay because here I am just trying to speak English. I said to them that no sir, I have finished everything. After that, I came to fix your Wi-Fi because I know very well that everything important in our life. There is nothing that not important in our life. Whether that is work, whether that is whatever you can say like this, because I don't care about my weakness, because weakness always when you see something new, when you don't know about that thing, after that you will thinking that how I will do. That time your weakness always standing like your enemy because they think that you do know your weakness make you make you try that you don't do it is not your cup of tea. But you have to be strong in front of your weakness. You should you are more stronger than your weakness. So you should kill your weakness and you don't have to focus that I will unable to do it. Let me stop it. I will do it when I will get time. You don't have to think like that. So sorry guys, here I want to apologize. Maybe I made some mistake and after that I would like to say that I want to stop this video because what cell phone I have it doesn't have that much space so that I will make lengthy video. So bye bye guys. I know you will surely help me, support me, and being a brother, it is my request that please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I don't have that much degree so that I can get better job after learning this language. But if you support me, I will surely earn money from here. Bye bye.